Hey, let me show you 3 ways how you can update the drivers for your graphic card NVIDIA GeForce 3060. So the first one, you can actually try to go into the right upper bottom corner on your taskbar and click on this arrow with the left mouse button. And then if you find NVIDIA settings, click on it with the right mouse button and select NVIDIA GeForce Experience. From here, from the home, you will have to go into the drivers, and now just click to check for updates. As you can see, in my case, I'm up to date. But if you have any available updates, you will be able to click on the download button and you will have to follow on-screen instructions. The second way to do this is to actually click on the taskbar Start, click on the search and open the device manager. Now from here, we'll have to go into the display adapters, select your graphic card, click on the right mouse button and select update driver. Click to search automatically for drivers, and there is no available updates. We can also try to open the Windows update and let's see if we can find something. Nope, there's nothing about our graphic card. So the last way is to open your browser. You will have to open for the official nvidia.com website, and on the right upper corner between support and the shop, you have to click on the drivers. Now all you have to do is just to pick your product type. In my case, I'm using the GeForce. Pick the GeForce RTX 30 series and select GeForce RTX 3060. Select your operating system. In my case, that's the Windows 11. Pick the game ready driver and the language. Then click on the search. And as you can see from here, you can find the latest drivers for your NVIDIA card. So now all you have to do is just to click the download button, and simply after the download, you will be able to locate your drivers on the downloads and you can follow on-screen instructions. And that's all. Right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.